Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 28th of September 2021. Taking a look at Polygon / MATIC. You can see very bearish trading conditions across the board. When you look at the 3-week chart, you can see that we're still below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. And really, we really don't even have a lot of price action to go off of yet. But that's what's happening there on the 3-week chart. Then when you take a peek at the weekly chart, you can see a fairly decent drive down lower here. And, you got to look at where the lagging span is at and then where the future support and resistance levels are at. We already looked at the 3-week chart. We know that there's zero support or structure below. We looked at, if we do the volume profile and look at where that next major support zone is at, 80 cents, but then below that it's at 39 cents, 40 cents. And if we were to do a fib extension off of these swings, where does that end up? Oops. There we go. I hate that thing that happens over there. The next high volume node is definitely in that 40-cent range. And so, fib extension wise, a move down that low certainly wouldn't be outside of the realm of normal. And it would end up with really the lagging span, hopefully remaining above the candlesticks and finding some support up above these candlesticks. And so this move could happen over the next 1, 2, 3 weeks. You could see it end up down there at that 40-cent level before we start to see it rally again. On the daily chart, there's just really strong near-term selling pressure here. You've just got this condition now where prices below. So the strategy for the ideal Ichimoku bearish breakout is the Tenkan Sen below the Kijun Sen, which it is, prices below the cloud, the lagging span or Chiku span is below the candlesticks, and future span A is below future span B, which it is. So everything on this chart that you would want to see for an ideal bearish breakout, it currently is in those conditions. And again, when we look at the volume profile, we're dipping down below this kind of chunk of volume, and so theoretically there should be a fairly swift drop from $1.06 down to that 82-cent range. So be on the lookout for that. Definitely, be careful, trying to long this, and shorting it, but there's definitely some dangers up ahead for anyone continuing to want to accumulate at these levels, because it looks like it's just going to keep going lower. And I'll leave it there. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.